Yo, he's changed his song. Yo. Yo. Oh my. Yo, I don't know what happened to his other song. Yo, I'll be right back, alright? I never really see him put a stop sign out like that. Even though it's actually my first time seeing Frostie actually putting their stop signs out. So, well, I don't know if anybody's seen this or caught this, but there I go. Y'all can see how they look like, or how he looked like with the stop sign and their red lights out. All right. See y'all later.